This video is one amongst a series of videos in which I take up examples to examine how to reduce a fraction to its lowest terms or to its simplest form. In this video, I'll take up two examples. The first fraction I will examine is 147 over 2147. We need to find out the common factors between 147 and 2147. Instead of examining each prime number starting from 2 to see if it is a common factor, I'll find out the prime factors of one of the numbers and then see if any of those factors divides the other number. It makes sense to take up the smaller number 147 and prime factorize it. 147 is odd, so it is not divisible by 2. Let us try 3. 1 plus 4 plus 7 equals 12, which is divisible by 3. So by the divisibility test for 3, 147 is divisible by 3. I'll now divide 147 by 3. 3 times 4 gives me 12. 14 minus 12 gives me 2. I bring down the 7. 3 times 9 gives me 27. 27 minus 27 gives me 0. So if I take out 3 as a factor from 147, I get the quotient 49. 49 is divisible by 7. Taking out 7 as a factor, I am left with 7 and I am done. I can write 147 as 3 times 7 times 7. All I need to do now is see if the denominator 2147 is divisible by any of these factors. Let us check 3 first. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 gives us 14, which is not divisible by 3. So 2147 is also not divisible by 3. So obviously 3 is not a common factor. Next candidate is 7. Let us now check what happens when we try to divide 2147 by 7. 7 times 3 gives me 21. 21 minus 21 gives me 0. I bring down the 4. I am not able to divide this by 7. So I put a 0 here and bring down the 7. 7 times 6 gives me 42. 47 minus 42 gives me 5. We get a non-zero remainder, so 2147 is not divisible by 7 as well. So even 7 is not a common factor. There is no point in checking if 2147 has any other factors, because even if it has any other factor, it will not be a factor of 147 and hence it will not be a common factor. So we are done and we can say that 147 over 2147 is already in its simplest form. Next, I will examine the fraction 147 over 833. As before, I prime factorize the smaller number 147. We already saw that 147 equals 3 times 7 times 7. All we need to do now is to check if 833 is divisible by 3 or 7 or both. Let us first check for 3. 8 plus 3 plus 3 equals 14, which is not divisible by 3. So 833 is also not divisible by 3. So 3 is ruled out. We need to check for 7 now. Let us see what happens when we try to divide 833 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 minus 7 equals 1. I bring down the 3. 7 times 1 equals 7. 13 minus 7 equals 6. I bring down the 3. 7 times 9 equals 63. 63 minus 63 equals 0. And hence 833 is divisible by 7. So 7 is a common factor between the numerator and denominator. So let us divide the numerator and denominator by 7. When we divide 147 by 7, 7 goes off from the prime factorization and we get 3 times 7, that is 21. 833 divided by 7 gives me 119. We are not yet done. Dividing 147 by 7 has removed 7 from the prime factorization. But we have one more 7. So we need to check what happens if we divide our denominator by 7 again. Let us do that. So 119 divided by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 11 minus 7 equals 4. I bring down the 9. 7 times 7 equals 49. 49 minus 49 equals 0. And so 119 is divisible by 7 and hence 7 is a common factor. So we need to divide the numerator and denominator by 7 again. 21 divided by 7 gives us 3 and 119 divided by 7 gives us 17 and we are done. So 3 over 17 is the equivalent fraction in its simplest form. For the two fractions that I took up in this video, it was easy to prime factorize the numerator. What if that is not the case? What if the numerator or denominator happen to be a prime number? How do we know that we are dealing with a prime number as the numerator or denominator? I will examine these aspects in another video. If you found this video useful, please like the video. Also, if there are any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. You can also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.